Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Leatherman Skeletal KBX. And as near as I can figure, this is just a Leatherman pocket knife. Although, as with pretty much everything made of metal that you carry in your pocket, they do give you a bottle opener. And I'm curious to see if the bottle opener actually makes this thing less useful. Alright, so they give us a lot of stats on packaging. It's almost 3.5 inches closed, and it weighs 1.3 ounces, which isn't too bad. It's not very heavy. And as you can see, this one should be made in the U.S. I think it is. I don't see made in China anywhere. I think all the Leathermans are made in the U.S. Yeah. Anyway, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Maybe we'll open it and take a look at it. Hold on. There we go. There's always a way to sort these things out. So you have the Leatherman caution. This thing is sharp. And warranty. Alright. Let's see what we got. Okay. So you have a pocket clip, like so. And there's this stupid bottle opener. Alright. I think the bottle opener, the way it's positioned, it seems like it would just get in the way. Like it would snag things. Alright, let's try the... Ooh. I like that though. Wow, nice and sharp. Okay. So, I like that a lot. This is a cool little pocket knife. You get a partially serrated blade and pretty easy one-hand opening, even in gloves. My only big complaint is the stupid bottle opener. I wonder if you can unscrew that. It looks like you can take off the pocket clip if you want. I wonder if they offer a pocket clip that doesn't have a stupid bottle opener on it. Anyway. It's a neat little pocket knife. And as you saw, it comes out of the package really sharp. So I guess if you're looking for a little pocket knife, Leatherman, doesn't seem like a bad choice. I really do wish places would people would just stop trying to stick a bottle opener on everything. Because, I mean, you can literally open a bottle with the corner of something. Anyway. So, if you're looking for a nifty little Leatherman pocket knife, this isn't a bad choice. And it's under 30 bucks. I think it was 25 or 20 or something. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. Not that much to it. The only thing is there's a little lock blade here. It's a little, you just press in the lock. I guess you'd call that a liner lock, but since it's so open, it's still a liner lock, I guess. Anyway, let me know what y'all think in the description. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. It's a cool little knife. I could easily see carrying this. Anyway. Let me know what y'all think about the Leatherman Skeletal. Like it? Hate it? Have my contempt for bottle openers stuck on everything? Let me know in the comments. And if there's anything that you think I should check out, also, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.